When I was a little girl and I went to the swimming pool, afterwards, my mom or dad would buy me a treat from the vending machine. Look, it's Pocoyo and his dog Loula, his good friend Ellie the elephant. They're going to buy a treat from the Hello Kitty vending machine today. It looks like there are 3 flavors: apple, orange, and tea. Probably a sweet tea. Now this little vending machine actually works. First we need our Hello Kitty pink recycling bin. It's important to recycle our aluminum cans. And then we have the little compartment where we put the cans. Count with me and see how many fit. Oop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 cans total. And now we need our coins. This machine comes with pink plastic coins. It's a beautiful flower picture on the one side and the number 100 on the other. We put the coin in the top slot and push it down. There are 3 buttons on the little toy, an apple and 2 Hello Kitties, but only one works. It's the Hello Kitty with the yellow bow. And there is your drink, Pocoyo. Oh, you got the sweet tea. There you go. Now it's Lula's turn. We'll use her coin. Put it in the slot. Oh, and I heard the other coin go into the compartment. What did Lula get? Apple juice. And finally, Ellie has a coin. Come on. There we go. Ellie has orange juice. One of my favorites. Don't forget to recycle when you're finished, Pocoyo. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.